How to get $50 Southwest Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box, so you type in Southwest Airlines coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals. Just scroll down and check out the offers: 50% off, $40 off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on Redeem at Southwest. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account. Then you can book your flight or stays and then proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Also, you can try out these offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Southwest Airlines. You can also try it on the website, this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Southwest Airlines. Well, this way you can easily get up to $50 Southwest Airlines coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.